Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome to our second weight lesson. But first I would like to start off with a little song. Please enjoy. Hope you all got on alright yesterday with ordering different objects from heaviest to lightest. So in yesterday's lesson we were looking at why we weigh things and the different words that we can use when we're weighing things. So like heavy and light. Which one is the heaviest? Would it be the balloon, the ball, or the elephant? Which one would I circle? That's right, it's the elephant. Well done. Tick the correct sentence. So we have a pineapple and an orange. Our first sentence, the orange and pineapple are an equal weight, which means they are the same weight. Our next sentence, the orange is lighter than the pineapple. What do you think? Let's check. So, our orange and pineapple are on a seesaw. Now, if something is heavy, the seesaw will go down. If it is lighter, it will go up. So let's have a look. So the orange and pineapple can't be of equal weight because they would be sitting on the same line. Our seesaw wouldn't be tilting up the way. The orange is lighter than the pineapple because the pineapple is coming down towards the floor, which means it's heavier. And the orange is going up towards the sky, which means it is lighter. So we shall tick here. Well done. The cat is heavier than the mouse. So where would my cat be sitting on my seesaw? And where would my mouse be sitting? Have a think. Let's draw a line. So, my cat is heavier than my mouse. Would it be sitting up here if my cat is heavier than my mouse? No, it wouldn't. It would be sitting over here because the weight of my cat would pull the seesaw down. So that means then my mouse would be up towards the sky on our seesaw because he is lighter. Circle the word that describes the weight of the rocket. Is the rocket heavier than the car? Is it equal or the same weight as the car? Or is it lighter than the car? Let's check. So, whatever I have on my seesaw, if it is heavy, it will be closer to the ground. So my rocket is up near the sky. It's ready to take off. So that means that my rocket is lighter than the car. Let's circle this. Well done. Complete the sentence. The flower is what than the watering can? Is it lighter or heavier? Now remember, whatever is heaviest is going to be closest to the ground on my seesaw. So which one is closest to the ground? It is our watering can. So that means that the watering can is heavier than the flower. My flower is up in the sky, far away from the floor. That means that this flower is lighter than the watering can. So we would write down lighter in our space. To complete the sentence. Well done. Rosie thinks that the teddy is lighter than the robot. Is Rosie correct? What do you think? Let's check. Now my teddy bear is the one who is closest to the ground. So that means that he is the heaviest. Whereas my robot is quite close to the sky. And that means that he is the lightest. So is Rosie correct? No, Rosie's not correct, because the robot is lighter than the teddy. Now boys and girls, here is an important point. Don't be tricked by the size of something. Just because something is very, very big, like this robot, doesn't mean that it's always heavier than a small teddy. My shell, my bucket and my chair are ordered from lightest to heaviest. So my shell is the lightest, my chair is the heaviest. Now I have my seesaw here and my bucket is here. It is very close to the ground. Do you remember what that means? That means that this is the heaviest. So, if my bucket now is my heaviest item, put a little star next to it, what would be lighter than my bucket? Now we know it's got to be lighter because here my seesaw is going up to the sky, which means that this is the lightest. Would my chair go on there? No, it wouldn't, because my chair's heavier than my bucket. So that means that my bucket would be up in the air and the chair would be down near the ground. So my shell would go on here because my shell is lighter than my bucket. Well done. For today's activity, I will be uploading this worksheet into our maths folder. You can upload your work into the pupil work folder under the folder with your name on it. I will also be uploading a problem solving worksheet if you really feel like a challenge today. Good luck everyone, have fun!